Hi, my name is Tanya, and today I will show you how to easily set up reminders in your calendar on your LyfQuest platform. So, starting from the left navigation menu, select Calendar. Now select Add to add a reminder to your calendar. Pick the time and day, and you can rename what this reminder is. I'm going to remind myself that it's Tina's birthday. Give it a time. It does not repeat. I'm going to take off my virtual meeting, and I'm going to leave everything else empty and give myself a note. And save it. And now I have a reminder for myself in my calendar, along with all of my appointments and available time. Thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up a successful LyfQuest platform.